Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We always tell you how the Magic Creeper is going to be the most useful tool you have. Well, you can give that gift of usefulness to somebody else. If you know somebody who is a mechanic, even a professional, they might want to use the Magic Creeper to get under a vehicle that they can't bring into the shop and put up on the lift. The Magic Creeper goes anywhere. It can go over rocks, gravel, rough pavement, glass. If you're in a not so great area, no problem. Magic Creeper can tackle it all. And if you're a shade tree mechanic, well, you can use this thing outside. It glides over tree roots, glides over gravel, any surface. The Magic Creeper can tackle it, and it's going to get dirty and you won't, which is also important when you're doing something by the side of the road. Of course, everybody who drives could use a Magic Creeper because you can use it beside the road and changing a tire. Maybe you need to make a fix. Again, you're always dressed up when something like that happens, so you can keep your clothes clean. The Magic Creeper gets dirty and you do not. And for folks that maybe aren't even car folks, you can give them the Magic Creeper because they can use it around the house. Maybe a kneeling pad if they're doing something like hardwood flooring or working out in the garden. Doing some plumbing, you can use a Magic Creeper to get under the sink, and you can do all kinds of trim work, anything down low, the Magic Creeper is going to help you out. When you buy the Magic Creeper, you can be confident that you are supporting a small business, and you're also supporting a woman-owned business, so that's pretty cool too. The Magic Creeper, we swear by it here at our studios, and we know you're going to love it too. You can find it at MagicCreeper.com. That is the only place you can find the original Magic Creeper. If you've been shopping for a car, you know that new vehicles are terribly expensive these days, if you can even find one. And Joe, once you get your hands on a new car or truck, how do you protect it and keep it lasting a long time?
Well, NHOU is going to be the quickest, least expensive way to add value and safety to your vehicle, whether it's new or used. So if you come in and you have a brand new vehicle, you can opt in for something like this. This is our Boss Wax. It's a permanent one-time application, dry to the touch, comes with a lifetime warranty. We report it to Carfax. We keep a database of all your proactive activity in our shop. If you've got a used vehicle, you can spray it with our oil. Our oil is going to be the most forgiving way to treat rust, because when you have surface rust and you apply our product, unlike conventional undercoating, it's going to displace moisture and remove oxygen. So it's going to stop oxidation as long as you have product on the surface. And that will also help you if you maintain your truck. I mean, it's very difficult to even find parts, let alone find new vehicles today. So this is just a good way for you to prepare yourself.
A lot of folks ask me, one, does it really work? And on the website we can see that it really works, and we've seen testimonials from folks that
read reviews.
It can attest to that. The second one, you hear from mechanics, oh, it's gooey and it's hard to work with, but you don't really find that's the case, do you?
Well, most of our dealers are mechanics. They like the fact that they're helping their customer be proactive. They're also extending the service life of the vehicle. But, you know, miraculously, things work when there's oil under there, right? Your spare tires come down. They're not going to break out a torch. They're not going to break their knuckles. So, you know, there's a give and take in life, and the give is, yeah, it's a little bit oily, a little bit dusty, at least initially, but the take is that, you know, the vehicle will last and the parts are accessible.
Make your car or truck last a long, long time. Oil Undercoating will show you how. Do not fret, there is more. Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming up next, so stay right here.
What happens to all the cars that wind up in accidents or finally just die? In the United States alone, about 12.6 million cars are recycled every year. Some cars are stripped for parts, others are worth more as scrap and head straight to the shredder. Just how much do auto salvage businesses in the U.S. make every year? A whopping $22 billion. Motorhead Garage coming up right after this.